Are you ready to start your journey on the Mostbet betting site but don't know where to begin? In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to register your Mostbet account, make your first deposit, withdraw your winnings, and update your personal profile details, all in a simple and beginner-friendly way. First, let's begin with registration. Go to the pinned comment below and click on the link I've provided. This is the easiest and safest way to access the official Mostbet site. While signing up, don't forget to use my exclusive promo code KPS92. This will give you a 100% bonus on your first deposit, instantly doubling your balance. After creating your account, I'll guide you through how to deposit money into your wallet using secure methods that work smoothly in your country. Then, I'll show you how to make a withdrawal after your winnings. It's quick and reliable. Lastly, I'll walk you through how to update your profile, such as adding your phone number, email, and ID for security and faster transactions. Everything is clearly shown on screen so you can follow along easily. Let's get started and make the Mostbet experience easy and rewarding for you.